Inside Norilsk, Russia's most polluted city on Earth. Imagine waking up every morning in a city where giant smokestacks dominate the skyline. Winter darkness lasts for weeks, and the nearest major city feels worlds away. Deep inside Siberia, above the Arctic Circle, lies one of the most unusual places on Earth. Norilsk has become famous for its harsh climate, massive mining industry, and environmental challenges. Yet hundreds of thousands of people have built lives there. And by the end of this video, you'll discover the surprising reasons so many residents continue to stay. A city almost cut off from the world. Norilsk feels like a city that shouldn't exist. Located far above the Arctic Circle, in northern Siberia, Norilsk is one of the most isolated major cities on the planet. Unlike most cities, there is no public road connecting it directly to the wider Russian road network. Most people arrive by air, while river transport operates during warmer months. Looking at a map, the city appears surrounded by endless wilderness. Vast stretches of tundra extend towards the horizon, interrupted only by frozen rivers, industrial sites, and occasional patches of Arctic vegetation. The isolation affects nearly everything: food, building materials, consumer goods, and equipment often travel enormous distances before reaching local stores. What many people take for granted elsewhere can become far more complicated here. Yet despite these challenges, Norilsk has grown into one of the largest cities above the Arctic Circle, and its existence is tied to something hidden beneath the frozen ground: the mineral wealth beneath the ice. Norilsk was built because the land beneath it contains extraordinary natural resources. The region holds some of the world's richest deposits of nickel, copper, palladium, platinum, and other valuable metals. These materials are used in electronics, industrial equipment, transportation, and countless products found around the world. Huge mining operations extract ore from deep underground before it is processed at large industrial facilities. The scale is difficult to comprehend. Massive buildings, pipelines, rail lines, and processing plants stretch across the landscape, creating an industrial network visible from miles away. For generations, mining has provided jobs and economic stability for many residents. Entire neighborhoods, schools, shops, and public services depend directly or indirectly on the industry. The metals produced here reach markets around the world, but the industrial activity that built Norilsk has also shaped its global reputation. The air that made global headlines. Norilsk is often described as one of the most polluted cities on Earth. For decades, industrial operations released significant quantities of pollutants into the atmosphere. Although emissions have declined substantially compared with historical levels, environmental concerns remain a major issue. On certain days, weather conditions can trap emissions close to the ground, creating visible haze over parts of the city. Residents have sometimes reported strong industrial odors drifting through neighborhoods, especially when wind conditions change. Photographs from different periods have shown dramatic scenes of smoke rising above industrial facilities and spreading across the Arctic landscape. These images have become some of the most recognizable symbols of Norilsk. Environmental organizations, researchers, and journalists frequently cite the city when discussing industrial pollution and its long-term effects. But the story becomes even more striking when you look beyond the city limits. A landscape changed by industry. The environmental impact of decades of industrial activity can be seen in parts of the surrounding region. Near some industrial zones, vegetation has experienced severe damage over many years. Areas that once supported forests have, in some locations, become sparse or barren. The result is a landscape that can appear dramatically different from the untouched Arctic wilderness found farther away. Visitors often describe the contrast as shocking. One moment, they are looking at open tundra and northern landscapes. The next, they encounter areas where the effects of industry are clearly visible. In winter, snow near industrial sites has sometimes appeared discoloured due to particles settling on the surface. Such images have drawn international attention and contributed to the city's reputation. Yet despite these environmental challenges, daily life continues. Schools open, businesses operate, and families carry on as they would anywhere else. That resilience is one of the most remarkable aspects of Norilsk. Living through extreme Arctic winters. Life in Norilsk demands toughness. Winter temperatures regularly fall below -30 degrees Celsius, and severe cold snaps can push temperatures even lower. Strong winds often make conditions feel even harsher. Walking outside during the coldest months requires heavy winter clothing, insulated boots, and careful preparation. A short journey that seems routine elsewhere can become a serious challenge during a blizzard. Buildings are designed to handle the Arctic environment. Infrastructure must withstand freezing temperatures for much of the year. Heating systems become essential for daily life, not simply a comfort. Snow-covered streets, frozen landscapes, and icy winds become normal parts of everyday existence. Yet residents adapt remarkably well. Children attend school, workers commute, and communities continue functioning despite conditions that many outsiders would find overwhelming. But winter in Norilsk brings another challenge that has nothing to do with temperature. The long darkness of the polar night. For weeks each year, the sun disappears. During the polar night, the sun remains below the horizon, leaving the city in prolonged darkness. Daylight is replaced by a dim glow that never fully becomes day. Imagine leaving home in darkness, spending your day under artificial lighting, and returning home in darkness again. For many people, the experience would feel surreal. Residents develop routines to cope. Bright indoor spaces, community activities, sports facilities, and cultural events help maintain a sense of normal life during the darkest months. When the sun finally returns, it often becomes a moment worth celebrating. After weeks without seeing it rise above the horizon, even a brief appearance can lift spirits. The polar night is one of the many reasons Norilsk feels different from almost every other city on Earth. But perhaps the most surprising part of the story is what visitors discover when they actually arrive. The side of Norilsk most people never expect. Many people imagine Norilsk as little more than factories and smoke. The reality is more complex. Residents have created communities, traditions, and social lives that continue regardless of the city's challenges. The city contains schools, sports centres, theatres, cafes, shopping areas, and cultural institutions. Colourful apartment buildings stand out against the snowy landscape, adding brightness during long winters. Public spaces provide gathering places where people can meet friends, attend events, or simply enjoy time away from work. For photographers and documentary filmmakers, Norilsk offers extraordinary visual contrasts. Industrial facilities rise above frozen terrain, while colourful neighbourhoods glow beneath Arctic skies. Halfway through inside Norilsk, Russia's most polluted city on Earth, it becomes clear that Norilsk cannot be understood through headlines alone. There is another side to the city that statistics rarely capture. Why so many people choose to stay. This may be the most surprising fact of all. Despite the isolation, harsh climate, and environmental challenges, many residents choose to remain in Norilsk. For some, employment opportunities are a major reason. The mining and metals industry continues to provide jobs that support families and communities. For others, the city is home in the deepest sense of the word. Parents, grandparents, and even great-grandparents have lived here. Generations have grown up surrounded by the same Arctic landscapes. Many residents develop a strong sense of community. Living in a remote environment often creates bonds between neighbours that can be difficult to understand from the outside. There is also a certain pride in thriving under difficult conditions. Surviving Arctic winters, adapting to isolation, and building a successful life in such a demanding environment creates a unique identity. For outsiders, Norilsk may seem extreme. For residents, it is simply where life happens. And that human story is what ultimately defines the city. A place unlike anywhere else on Earth. Norilsk is not easy to categorize. It is an industrial powerhouse, an Arctic city, a mining center, and a place that continues to attract global attention because of its environmental challenges. It is a city where smokestacks rise above frozen landscapes and where people have learned to adapt to conditions few others would willingly face. The contrast is what makes Norilsk fascinating. Harshness exists alongside resilience. Isolation exists alongside community. Industrial development exists alongside some of the world's most dramatic Arctic scenery. Every year, people around the world read about Norilsk because of pollution, mining, or extreme weather. Yet behind every headline are ordinary people building careers, raising families, and creating lives in one of the most unusual cities ever built. That combination of challenge and determination is what makes Norilsk unforgettable. Few places on Earth combine isolation, industry, Arctic weather, and human resilience quite like Norilsk. The deeper you look, the more extraordinary it becomes. That's why inside Norilsk, Russia's most polluted city on Earth, continues to capture attention around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.